Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken fingers, full guide. Start by trimming chicken breasts into even strips about 1 inch wide. Pat strips dry and season lightly with salt and pepper. Set up a dredging station with flour, beaten eggs, and panko breadcrumbs. Press breadcrumbs firmly to create an even coating. Chill coated strips for 15 minutes before cooking to help the crust set, then rest briefly. Create a reliable breading process to get crunchy, golden chicken fingers every time. Pat each strip dry, then coat in flour, dip in seasoned beaten eggs, and press in panko breadcrumbs. Let pieces rest on a wire rack to maintain texture and prevent steaming. For extra flavor, add garlic powder and paprika to the flour, and refrigerate breaded pieces for about 10 to 20 minutes before cooking to firm up the crust. Choose a cooking method based on time and texture preference to finish your chicken fingers. Pan frying gives the most even, deep golden crust and takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Baking at 425 degrees F is hands-off and produces a lighter crust with a short flip midway. Air frying at 400 degrees F makes crisp results in under 12 minutes and uses far less oil while still keeping juicy interiors and crunchy exterior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.